We want to bring you some quick breaking news coming in from the National Capital. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has just chaired his second meeting on Delhi's COVID-19 crisis. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, the Lieutenant Governor and the mayors of the municipal corporations are all present as Amit Shah chairs his second meeting with all the big stakeholders. I want to go across to India Today's Kamaljeet Sandhu. Kamal, the second meeting between Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Arvind Kejriwal and others. Why this second meeting, Kamal?
Well, it was announced very publicly by Amit Shah, the Home Minister, on his Twitter account. So he talked about a time of 5 p.m., but all the stakeholders came a little before that. In fact, it started at around 4:30. Avtar Singh, one of the mayors, just spoke to us a while ago, and he said he's sticking on the figures that the MCD gave out. This is obviously in sharp contrast to what Delhi government has been giving into the ICMR and what has been stated in the Health Ministry press conference as well. So yes, this is going to be a consolidated effort. There has been a comprehensive meeting in the morning. And now the MCDs have been called in and the mayors have been called in as stakeholders. Because remember, as far as responsibility is concerned, whether it's isolation ward, whether it is involvement of either nursing staff or hotels or banquet halls, so MCD can really pitch in. And what we are looking at is micromanagement. This is how it is. Now, one part of it is that there are going to be elections for the municipality later in June, but that is separate politics. There has been some sort of bickering between the Aam Aadmi Party and the mayors as well. But leaving that aside, what Union Home Ministry has done is taken charge of it. They've taken care that the meeting is held, especially in the wake of Supreme Court pulling up Delhi government. This after several patients and several news reports came in about patients moving from pillar to post. This is obviously a sad state of affairs, even though Kejriwal government at one point of time had promised a lot, saying whatever lockdown period was there for the preparation and they are ready for it. But when it came to actuality, those tall claims actually did fall short. And that is what was really visible in several of the hospitals. But now that central government has done some hand-holding, will the situation improve? And that is why at least 6 officers have now been posted and deputed with Kejriwal government so that they can really help out. They will carry out inspection in various hospitals. For some of the patients, they will be on telephone, especially with AIIMS doctor, on all those people who are asymptomatic. So all spares are being looked after at this point of time, but the real test, Shiv, is still going to be the field work and what happens on the ground, because meetings are not just enough.
We'll wait to see what announcement is made after this particular meeting. Already some decisions have been taken. We'll come back to you right after that meeting, Kamal, to get the very latest. Thank you for getting us that comprehensive update.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.